We're going to reveal a powerful trading strategy using 2 free indicators on TradingView. This strategy works on any chart, whether it's cryptocurrencies, forex, or stocks, and can be used on multiple time frames, including the 1-minute chart. I'll be sharing just a part of 1,000 times back testing this strategy with the results just before the end of the video, so make sure to stick around until the end. So without further ado, let's dive in and start making some money. For this video, we'll focus on the 15-minute Bitcoin chart. First, let's get into the technical side. Go to the indicator section and add the GChan trend detection indicator to your chart. The key to maximizing this indicator's effectiveness is to carefully adjust its settings to fit your trading style. Pay close attention as I walk you through the exact changes I make. While the GChan trend detection indicator is known for its straightforward buy and sell signals, it doesn't consider the market trend. But don't worry, we'll show you how to overcome this limitation and turn it into a profitable strategy. Next, go back to the indicator settings and add the SuperTrend X4 indicator to your chart. Although many traders use this indicator for signals, its true power lies in accurately detecting market trends. By making a few simple adjustments, we'll create an easy-to-use, highly effective money-making strategy. The SuperTrend X4 indicator displays 4 separate SuperTrend lines representing different time frames from short-term to long-term. This feature is incredibly powerful because it provides a broader perspective of the market trend. When all 4 SuperTrend lines are green, it indicates a bullish trend, suggesting profitable long positions. Conversely, when all 4 SuperTrend lines are red, it suggests a bearish trend, indicating profitable short positions. Traders, if you like our contents, please take a second to like the video, share it with your friends and community, and also subscribe to Income Nomad. By turning the notification bell, you won't miss out on our future contents as well. Also, if you're a beginner looking for a free trading course from A to Z, make sure to check our Trading University playlist. Believe me, you won't regret it. Now that we have a solid foundation for this strategy, let's dive into the specific rules for entering and exiting trades and managing risk. Starting with long trades, we'll begin by checking the SuperTrend X4 indicator to confirm an uptrend. This step is crucial because trading against the trend can be disastrous. Next, we'll only look for buy signals that align with the dominant uptrend. Once these conditions are met, we can open a buy order. After entering the trade, manage risk by setting a stop loss below one of the green lines based on your risk tolerance. For take profit targets, aim for a profit that is 1.5 times greater than the stop loss. For short trades, we'll follow a similar approach. First, check the SuperTrend X4 indicator to confirm a downtrend. Then, only consider sell signals that align with the dominant downtrend. Once these conditions are met, we can open a short position. After entering the trade, set a stop loss above one of the red lines, depending on your risk tolerance. For take profit targets, aim for a profit that is 1.5 times greater than the stop loss. By following these rules, we can manage risk effectively and potentially increase profits while avoiding trades that go against the market trend. Welcome aboard our crypto arc where dreams meet freedom. Join us on this journey as we empower crypto believers with knowledge and tools to achieve their goals. And guess what? We're just getting started in this world of endless possibilities. Click the link below to join us now. Enjoy 0 fees on spot trading for the first 30 days and a chance to win up to 30,000 USDT in deposit rewards. Join Bybit today and ride the wave of crypto success. Now let's see how this strategy performs in the real market. We conducted a thorough backtest on various pairs and timeframes and achieved a win rate of approximately 88% over 1,000 trades. By no means the real-time outcome won't be the same, but for these results highlight the potential profitability of this approach, provided it's executed with discipline and diligence. Lastly, remember we have a series of other trading strategy videos aimed at improving your trading skills and knowledge. Be sure to check them out to gain a more comprehensive understanding of the market and increase your chances of success. Thanks for watching and happy trading.